Hello everyone. So in this video we're gonna go over a very simple task but it's very important, cleaning cleaning an iPhone charging port. So most of the time is the charging port is not um, bad, it is just dirty. The iPhone charging port, it's reliable more than the USB or mini USB ports, and it doesn't break that often, but it got dirty and it blocked the cable from getting all the way in to charge the phone. Have a tweezer, and you see this, you see the surface here, and if I do this, look at that. See how that is. See, so we'll clean it this way. um, I prefer this way. I don't use alcohol or anything. See, so now we start seeing part of the white surface, but that thing is completely I would say 90%. See that? I would say 90% of bad charging port are because they are dirty. You don't have to change them. See that? See? Be careful here. As you can see, there are the pins, and those pins and that's it. I hope this video was informative. Like and subscribe for more content.